Hello students. So you know that magnetic moment is very important topic for all exams. So this question of gate is based on a magnetic moment. You can see that you have to calculate the magnetic dipole moment. Okay. So okay. So there is a setup that is given, the wire loop, and this is at 30-degree angle. So that means like this is on the XY plane and this was in this XZ plane, but this is now at some 30-degree angle. Okay. Now we have to calculate the magnitude of the dipole moment. So if there are two loops, their dipole moment is m1 and m2, we can easily calculate the magnetic moment, net magnetic moment by the vector rules. But here in this case the problem is that there is no current in this at this place. Okay. So this put a current in this direction so that this loop is completed, and for this loop put another current in this direction. This is already going. So now we have two different loops, and we can do that because I am putting in opposite direction, so they will cancel each other. So now we have two magnetic dipoles. One of course is in z cap direction, so there is a dipole M like this for this case, and if this dipole was like this, then M was in this direction, but it has shifted from 30 degree. So it was here when it was along the Z, but it has gone 30 degree in this direction. So this is M. So now this angle is 120 degree. So net M net will become under root of m square plus m square plus 2m square cos 120. Okay. So this will become under root of 2m square plus 2m square into cos 120 is cos 90 plus 30, which is in the second quadrant, 90 plus 30. So it will become minus sin 30. So it will become minus 1 by 2. So this 2 will cancel and this will become M. And what is the magnetic moment of one dipole? It is simply current into area, and area is because the side is d, so area is ID square. So this is the correct answer. So students, you will find many questions based on this magnetic moment. I think previous year NET also had one question. So just think about this, that the basic concept you have to take, that magnetic moment is current into area, and if the direction was asked, you know this magnetic moment was in z cap direction. Okay, so you have to just curl your fingers towards the current and your thumb will give the direction of magnetic moment. But in this case they only ask the magnitude, so I just use this cosine law to calculate the net magnetic moment. Okay, thank you so much.